try and instill that winning.
PBL, kaya siguro dagdag exposure and experience rin sa kanya.
Ito, yan. Ang laki ng ginaling ni Gemma pagkatapos mapasama sa team from Eli Soyud.
Temperatura to Gemma Galanza.
Estraniero.
Tots Carlos served that one up.
Double their effort in their bid to cut into this 5-point advantage na hawak ng Adamson.
Exactly, Coach Ronnie. Points away from getting to the 20s. Kaya kailangan itong UP Lady Maroons umabante na sila kaagad.
Minsan di mo na mapigil yung momentum ng kalaban. Whether they're still hit by a 2-point cushion. Now slice to one on that Tots Carlos attack. Going deep, going to zone 5. Hirap abutin ng 20 points, Billy.
Grabe, parang ang tagal na nga ng set na ito, Coach Ronnie.
Experience. Of course, she played well during the time that she was with LaSalle. Although she went into a different direction. As Galanza detonates another booming point para sa Adamson. Oh, bakit hindi? Kung anong kinakailangan, Billy, para manalo.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Ronnie. Isa molde.
Claro.
Tingnan natin, babawi itong Lady Falcons.
Panglamang pagdagdag naman ng pressure sa kanilang kalaban.
Soyud.
Season 79 in the first 4 matches. But suddenly, they were...
Romero to Eli Soyud. Muntika na yon.
1 ace, 15 digs ang kanyang contribution din para sa depensa ng Fighting Maroons.
Step up dito para sa Lady Maroons. Mukhang meron na. Naganaban really siya sa TV. Tinagdan niya yung sarili niya.
Sanay na yan.
At balik nga tayo sa laro. Kiara Permentilla, grabe talaga. Ibang klase yung mga palo ng rookie natin. Kasama, Coach Ronnie.
Yung mga teammates niya, yan o nakatayo.
Yun yung...
Napatunayan na yung cliche na yan many times over ng ating mga
Usong-usong song. Of course, DJ Jams providing us our music today. At the Lady Falcons at 17.
Wow.
Great blocking there. Jesma Ramos and Layog. Good break for the Lady Falcons.
Good decoy play coming from Uy.
Well, they will send it to the other side. She tips that to the side of the Falcons. Itong dalawang teams natin. Back to this game. Early lead by the Lady Maroons.
Nahabol sila at kumbaga sila yung nagsaing. Pero Adamson na naghain. Performance. Ang Adamson naman, kumbaga lapsing into a series of unforced errors sa UP in this third set.
And finally, something good for the Lady Falcons. Great play right there.
Galing nga sila sa ilalim.
Estraniero
suffered a knee injury that forced her to miss seasons from, of course, sa vernacular na nakasanayan niya.
Pero ang galing. Kasi alam nila na more or less sa kanila mapupunta ang set na ito. Roque will try.
And dito nga, landed with Adamson Lady Falcons. Wow!
Smart play on the side of Estraniero.
Quick thinking.
Hinintay niya talaga siguro.
Alam mo, they were outplayed Dahil dalawa sila ni Nawahan 3-1. Looking for their first win.
Altomea. Romero once again. She goes to Eli Soyud.
Ano kanilang mga younger teammates?
We will see. Tots, di nagpapatalo. Gusto makatikim ng una nilang panalo dito sa Open Conference.
Tagal-tagal na, Billy.
Bola. Sandoval. Pupunta sila kay Soyud. Bola na naman. Sandoval takes it upon herself to end that rally. Good
communication doon, Billy, between the libero.
Nandoon si Romero. They go to Tots Carlos. And Romero to Galanza. Tots Carlos. And back to her. This is not the time to be scared. And Gemma Galanza, hindi talaga takot sa palo na yon. And Isa Molde answers right back.
Dito, if not all, siyang nag-recruit.
And most of them from Hope Christian High School as well.
For them, a lot of interior issues. But they played through that and they will be rewarded sa kanilang unang panalo sa 4 na laban.